Why pay an attorney if you can do it yourself? That's like saying, why go to a cardiologist when you can just go running? Why go to a ear, nose, and throat doctor when you could do something else? This is the thing. Would you perform surgery on yourself? I hope the answer is no. And the reason why, because when you go to an attorney, many times, if that attorney is qualified, they understand how car accidents work, they understand how injuries work, they understand both sides of the fence, on the injury side and on the legal side. It adds value because that attorney many times can get more money of what you deserve out of the case. Insurance adjusters are not your friends. Contrary to what they say in the commercials, they're really there to adjust your claims down, not to help build them up. When you work with an accident attorney like myself, we have the power to litigate, to file suit if the insurance company doesn't want to do what's right by you. Insurance adjusters are also very smart in respect that they act like doctors, which they're not doctors, to say your injuries are not related or your injuries are not as big as what make them seem to be. But they're not living your pain. They don't understand what you're going through. So they're going to make an assumption to work for the best interest of their company, which is the insurance company, not for you, to make a decision on how much your injury is worth. That doesn't seem like it makes too much sense. How can they say how much your injury is worth if they don't walk in your shoes? They can't understand what you're going through. They're making a decision based on what their insurance agent and what their insurance company is saying your injury is worth. So the reason why you want to get an attorney, because you have the legal resources, experience, and the ability to file suit if and when, because they will, it's not a question of if, when they act in a way that's not proper, meaning the insurance company, to pay out your claims. It adds that extra layer of pressure for the insurance companies to do what's right. And even with all that, they still try not to do what's right. And that's why with an attorney, you have the ability to file a lawsuit to make sure that you're forcing or you're putting their feet to the fire. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call.
You had a bad day.